Right now, your company could be in the process of being deregistered, and you wouldn't even know it. Thousands of South African companies are quietly shut down by CIPC every year. So let me show you exactly how to check your company's status, what each status means, and what to do if something's wrong. Here's why this matters. If CIPC deregisters your company, it legally stops existing. Your bank account can be frozen, you can't sign contracts, and you can lose your business name. And the frightening part, it can happen silently, without anyone ever phoning you. To check your status, you only need two things: your company registration number and access to the CIPC website. That's it. You don't need a lawyer, and you don't need to pay anyone just to check where you stand. On the CIPC site, you log in with a customer profile, pull up your company, and look at the company status field. This one field tells you everything. Whether your company is alive, at risk, or already gone. The status you want to see is in business. That means your company is active and compliant. Your annual returns are up to date, and CIPC recognizes you as a live trading company. If you see this, you're in good shape. But if you see in the process of deregistration, that's a red flag. It means you've missed annual returns, and CIPC has started shutting your company down. The good news? At this stage, you can still save it. And if you see deregistered or final deregistration, your company has been removed from the register. It no longer legally exists, and you can't trade under it. But in many cases, you can still apply to bring it back to life. Almost every time, deregistration comes down to one thing: missed annual returns. CIPC assumes a company that isn't filing is dormant and starts removing it. It's rarely deliberate. People simply forget year after year. So what do? If your status is at risk, the fix is usually simple. File all your outstanding annual returns and the deregistration process stops. Your status returns to active and your company is safe again. If you've already been deregistered, you apply to CIPC to have the company reinstated and then bring your returns up to date. It takes longer and it's more involved, which is exactly why checking early matters so much. This is something we handle every single day. At Smartbook, we check your company status, file any outstanding returns, and if you've been deregistered, we manage the full reinstatement for you, so your company stays alive and in good standing. Just head to smartbookie.co.za, and the link is in the description. So don't guess, go and check your company status today. If it's in business, keep it that way. If it's at risk, act now, while it's still an easy fix. And if you'd rather we simply handle the whole thing for you, that's what we're here for. Visit smartbookie.co.za or email hello@smartbookie.co.za. And if this helped, subscribe. It's the smart move.